Hi, Mark. Good morning.
Good morning, Emily.
How are you today?
I am good. I slept well. And you?
I am good too. Today feels nice.
Yes, the morning is cool. The air is fresh.
I like mornings like this.
Me too.
So, how was your morning?
My morning was simple. I woke up at 6 a.m.
Early morning.
Yes. Then I washed my face. I brushed my teeth.
Good.
After that, I made coffee. I like hot coffee in the morning.
I like tea in the morning.
Tea is good too.
What did you do after coffee?
I read a short book. Just 10 minutes.
Nice.
What about you? How was your morning?
I woke up at 7. Then I stretched a little.
Stretching is good for the body.
Yes. After that, I took a shower. Then I ate breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate bread with eggs. Simple, but good.
Sounds great. What are your plans today?
I want to study English for 1 hour.
Good plan.
Then I will work on my computer.
Work from home?
Yes. It is easy and comfortable.
What will you do in the afternoon?
I may go to the supermarket.
What do you need to buy?
I need milk, bread, and fruit.
Healthy foods.
Yes. And you? What are your plans?
I will go to the gym at noon.
Do you go every day?
Not every day. Maybe 4 times a week.
That's good. Do you have any hobbies today?
Yes, I want to practice guitar later.
You play guitar?
Yes, just a little.
Yes, just a little.
That's cool.
What hobbies do you enjoy?
I enjoy reading and cooking.
Nice hobbies.
They help me relax.
The park is quiet today.
Yes, there are not many people.
Do you want to walk a little?
Yes, let's walk.
Walking in the morning feels good,
It clears the mind.
and it makes the body happy.
True.
I feel calm today.
That is nice.
Yes, some days I feel stressed,
Me too. Life can be busy.
but today is peaceful.
Yes, very peaceful.
I need to go soon.
You will go to the gym?
Yes,
Have a good workout.
thank you, and have a good workday.
Thank you. See you later.
See you.
Hi again, Mark.
Hi, Emily. Good afternoon.
How was the gym?
It was good. I did light exercise.
That is healthy.
Yes. I feel good now.
Great. How was your work today?
Did you study English today?
Yes, I studied for 1 hour.
What did you practice?
Listening and speaking.
How do you practice speaking?
I do shadowing. I listen and then I repeat.
Shadowing is a good method.
Yes, it helps me speak more naturally.
Great. What did you eat for lunch?
I ate rice with chicken. Simple meal.
Sounds good. And you?
I ate noodles.
Do you like noodles?
Yes, very much.
Do you have plans later?
Maybe I will watch a movie tonight.
Nice. And you?
I want to clean my room.
That is good.
Yes, my room is a little messy.
Cleaning feels good after.
True.
The weather is warm now.
Yes. It changed from the morning.
I prefer cool weather.
Me too.
Warm weather makes me tired.
Same here. What will you do after the movie?
Maybe read a book.
What book?
A simple English storybook.
Good for practice.
Yes, and you? After cleaning,
Maybe I will cook dinner.
what will you cook?
Maybe pasta.
Pasta is good.
Easy to cook, too.
Do you have English goals this month?
Yes. I want to speak more confidently.
Good goal.
And you?
I want to learn 200 new words.
Nice.
I will study a little every day.
Small steps are good.
Yes,
What time do you sleep?
I sleep around 11 p.m.
Good.
And you?
I sleep around 10:30 p.m.
Early sleep is healthy.
Yes.
It is getting late.
Yes, the sun is going down.
I should go home soon.
Me too.
Thank you for the nice talk.
Thank you too.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Before I go home, do you want to walk for 5 minutes?
Yes, that sounds nice.
The sky looks beautiful now.
Yes, the colors are soft.
I like sunsets.
Me too. They make me feel calm.
Same here. Evening walks help me relax.
I agree. A short walk is good after a long day.
Mark, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Oh, pizza is good.
Yes, I like simple pizza with cheese and tomato.
I like pasta more than pizza.
Pasta is great too.
What other foods do you like?
I like soup, salad, and chicken.
Healthy choices.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
Good habit. I want to eat healthier too.
Emily, how do you study English every day?
I study in small steps.
What do you mean?
I listen for 10 minutes. I read for 10 minutes. I speak for 10 minutes.
That is simple and clear.
Yes, small steps help me stay consistent.
I want to try your method.
You should. It is easy but effective.
Thank you for the tip.
You're welcome.
Do you want to meet tomorrow?
Yes, I would like that.
Morning or afternoon?
Morning is better for me.
Okay, let's meet at the same cafe.
Good idea. What time?
Maybe 9 a.m.?
Perfect. We can practice English more.
Yes, more shadowing practice.
It will be fun.
I agree.
I will go home now.
Okay. Have a good evening.
You too. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you. Enjoy your movie.
I will. Goodbye, Mark.
Goodbye, Emily.